take this one only. So the price for, let's say, you are a buyer of steel, okay? You are a purchaser of steel, and you think the steel prices have come down quite a bit, and you fear that it may go up. So you start buying, let's say, 3 months contract at 637. You buy $637, and let's assume that this price after 3 months actually your view comes correct and goes up to 650. Okay. Or not, or let's take 700. And you also assume that the Indian steel prices also kind of goes up by 15%, 10% or so. This is approx 10%, and Indian prices also go up by 10%. So whatever you lose on your Indian purchases because steel prices have gone up, this LME contract will give you, at settlement, it will give you $63. And similarly, if let's say the prices come down to 590, then you have to pay $47 to LME, but you also assume that your Indian prices have come down, so you benefit from the lower prices if you are a purchaser. That is the way it works. In CME, there are options also. If you go to Chicago Mercantile Exchange, you can do options also, so that if the prices go up, you are protected, but if it comes down, you enjoy the benefit. But obviously, option liquidities are relatively on the lower side. Having said that, we have done options for our clients, and it has worked out well.